Here is the doorbell. We have 4 kinds of plugs, which can support global countries all over the world. Now I will show you. Plug in. Use screwdriver to open the hole. Take off the battery cover. Install it. Before shipping, we will connect the wire for you. This is music ringtone. This is volume tone. Change music. Change volume. Change music. Now I will show you how to clear information and study information. This one is not studied well. Clear information. Press the music tone. The light twinked. When the lights are not twinked, clear information finish. Now I will show you study information. Press the ringtone for several seconds. When the light twinked, press it. Study information finish.